Let's do balle balle, let's do Amritsar chale. मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा. 21-day challenge, day 10. Culture, unity and diversity. So the above sentence beautifully summarizes unity in diversity or diversity in unity. Who can forget the dosa of Mulbagal and Davangere? Who can forget the balle balle of Punjab? Who can forget the pav bhaji, the gola and the bhajia pav from Mumbai Juhu Chopati? Who can forget the relish, delish and delicious Mysore Pak with melts in the mouth? Who can forget the tiramisu and Afghani sweet, Afghan jalebi, mashuk farebi? Who will not remember the Kathakali? And who can forget the puttu kadalai? Just puttu and the kadalai from Kerala. Can't you virtually relish makka di roti and sarso ka saag and Amritsari pindi chole? Ole ole, when I talk about Punjab, Amritsar. And how can you forget gulla gulla rasgulla raja de tera muh khulla from none other than Kolkata? And who can forget the ta Bharatnatyam of the South, or the ta din din ta din 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 ta da din din ta din din didita 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 Kathak of the North? And who can forget the hot sugarless milkless kawa tea of the North or the Arabs? And who can forget the Dal Lake of Kashmir and Kawa of Kashmir? Who cannot remember the Haryali, meaning greenery of the Northeast, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipal to Tripura, in Rome be Roman and in India be Indian? Thank you.